Is it visible to audible to you?
Yes, sir, audible.
So the first here exercise 3.2 you see here. The question is given to you. Find the values of the five trigonometric functions 1 to 5. Okay. And the first question is given to you cos x is equals to minus 1 by 2. Cos x is equals to minus 1 by 2 and x lies in the quadrant third quadrant. Is it audible to you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. So now see here the question is given to you. The first question. Cos x is equals to minus 1 by 2 and asking to you to find out the other trigonometric ratios. So when the cos x is equals to minus 1 by 2 and x is here lies in the third quadrant. X lies in the third quadrant, it is given, and it is not necessary to you to find out the x value. If you want to find out the x value, x also you can find out. That we are going to learn in the next further coming part. So here all the trigonometric ratios to find out, you are having the trigonometric identity is sine square x plus cos square x is equals to 1 for all the values of x. Okay. So you substitute here cos. So from this what you are going to get sine square x plus minus 1 by 2 whole square is equals to 1. So what do you get here? Sine square x is equals to 1 minus 1 by 4. This is you are going to get as a plus 1 by 4 this one. So if you take to the right side minus 1 by 4. So we are going to get sine square x is equals to 3 by 4. So sin x is equals to plus or minus root 3 by 2 you are going to get. Plus or minus root 3 by 2. Okay. So as x lies in the third quadrant में sin x क्या होता है? Negative होता है. So in the third quadrant sin x is negative. So since sin x is negative in the third quadrant, since sin x is negative in third quadrant, you are going to get sin x is equals to minus root 3 by 2 you are going to get. Not plus root 3 by 2. Minus root 3 by 2 sin x. Okay, where do you get a sin x and cos x? You can find out the tan x and other trigonometric ratios. Anything you want, you can find out. Tan x is equals to sin x by cos x. So you are going to get it as a. There will be a multiple ways to find a root 3 by 2 by minus 1 by 2, which is equals to plus root 3. This is tan x. So cot x is equals to the reciprocal of tan x, 1 by root 3. Secant x is equals to reciprocal of this cosec x minus 2. Cosec x is secant x is reciprocal of cos x minus 2 will get. Cosec x is reciprocal of sin x minus 2 by root 3 you are going to get. So like this you have to find out the other trigonometric ratios. And if you find out the cos x is equals to minus 1 by 2, then what is the value of the x? X value क्या हो सकता है? What it is possible if it is lies in the third quadrant?
सर
Ah,
सर अभिषेक ने अभी मुझे फोन किया था सर।
mm.
तो
that
स्कूल से जो उसे अकाउंट
that we will discuss it afterwards. Leave it.
तो
He
उसका
has to
अकाउंट
approach.
साइन इन नहीं हो रहा है बोल रहा था।
Then he has to approach in the evening time or some other time. In the exactly class time, what it is, this is not right.
ओके
Okay,
सर। ओके
because it disturbs others also, na. You're not supposed to say such type of the things in the class also. Immediately, you people are having a very bad habit that अभी चाहिए तो अभी चाहिए बस, और फोन करते तो 10 बार करते हैं, वो किस टाइम पे है ये कुछ भी नहीं सोचता है. Little bit you need to think about it. Now the class is going on and you are saying unnecessary thing and it disturb the class, everyone. Such type of the things you need to be little bit conscious. Okay, so don't repeat like that. And let us see the next here. What is the next question here? It is given cos x is equals to sin x is given to you. The next question is given to you, sin x is equals to 3 by 5. X lies in the second quadrant. In the same way, cos x find out karo using the trigonometric identity only. And third problem also you can do, cot x is equals to 3 by 4 is given to you. So depending upon the quadrant, whatever it is given to you, you have to find out. Is it clear to you? समझ में आया ना? Remaining problems you can do it ना? Okay, I'll tell you the one more problem. Secant x is equals to 13 by 5. X lies in the fourth quadrant. Okay, secant x is equals to 13 by 5. That fifth problem, fourth problem I'll tell you. Don't worry. So let us go to the fourth problem. So the question is given to you. Secant x is equals to 13 by 5. Is it audible to you all?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So secant x is equals to 13 by 5 and you need to find out the other 5 trigonometric ratios. One is given to you. And here x belongs to the fourth quadrant, it is given to you. Isn't it? X belongs to fourth quadrant. Quadrant 4. So whenever secant x is given to you, you can find out the cos x directly. Cos x, if you get it, same way, you can find out the sine cos x whenever you get it. So you can do in multiple ways here. Cos x is equals to 5 by 13. If you get cos x, then sine square x plus cos square x is equals to 1. Okay, from this you are going to get sine square x is equal plus 5 by 13 whole square is equals to 1. From this you are going to get sine square x is equals to sine square x plus, okay, sine square x plus 25 by 13 square is 1 minus 25 by 169. So which is equals to 169 minus 24. So you are going to get 144 by 169. So from this you are going to get sin x is equals to, originally you are going to get under root of 144 by 169. So that is nothing but plus or minus 12 by 13 you are going to get. You may ask that, sir, if the question is given to you like this, I will do like this, sir. A triangle we are going to take into consider. Here xi will take into consider. You may say that. So secant x is nothing but hypotenuse by adjacent. So Pythagoras theorem I will apply, sir. Here 12 I am going to get. But here the angle is given to you. X is in the fourth quadrant. When the x is in the fourth quadrant, this represent answer. You may get it little bit right. After getting the answer, the value. After getting the values from this, you can find out the sin x. Okay, sin x is equals to what you get? Opposite by 12 by 13. But sin is negative, so that's why minus 12 by 13 I will write, sir. Yes, you can write it. Obviously, this also write sin x if you want. You can think it. But when you write the solution in the paper, when this type of the question is asked, it is not wrong. Suppose the objective type of question you get, you are writing in a rough, then you can do it. That way you can do it. It's not that much wrong here in this way if you are doing. Okay. So when if you get a sin x, as this x is in belongs to the fourth quadrant, since x is belongs to fourth quadrant, What you are going to get? Sin x is equals to, can you say, anyone? Minus 12 by 13. Minus 12 by 13. Okay, sir. Secant x given means cos x find out kar diya. Tan x given means what to do? In the problem number here, if you see that fifth problem में tan x दे दिया, third problem में cot x दे दिया. So you have to use the another identity. What is an identity you are having between the tan and other trigonometric ratio?
Sir, one plus.
You are opening the book and saying.
So 1 plus x square equal to 10 square x.
No. Who said?
ना सर उल्टा बोल दिया.
अरे ये तो सिंपल बेटा, ये आप लोग
हाँ.
ज्यादा सीख लो. sin square x plus cos square x is equals to 1. Secant square x minus tan square x is equals to 1. Cos x square x minus cot square x is equals to cos x square x minus cot square x is equals to 1. So this, if you are taking into consider, 1 plus tan square x is equals to secant square x you will get. This is, or you can write secant square x minus 1 is equals to tan square x. Whatever it I have circled, they are all right. So you can use this identity here in this case, or in this case this identity you use. Third problem mein. So other you are going to get, and see that in which quadrant it is present. Which quadrant में present है वो देखना है. Then after you can find out. So now the sixth question is given to you, asking you to find out the values of the trigonometric functions sine 765 degrees. Okay, the first question is 765 degrees minus 1410 degrees. So these questions can be done in different ways. One student means depending upon the situation they will do it. So it doesn't matter here. Question number what? Sixth question. Is it coming immediately? Little bit immediately, I think so now today. So sixth question here asking to sine 765 degrees. 765 degrees is nothing but 360 degrees completes the one revolution. When it completes the one revolution, so already you have learned this one, sine 2n pi plus theta is equals to sine theta. Or you can write it as a sine n into 360 degrees plus theta is also equals to sine theta.
So it will be 45 degree.
So whenever you write this one sine 765, sine 765 degrees can be written as 720 plus 45. So that 720 is nothing but 720 plus 45 I will write. 45 degrees. And 720 is a multiple of 360. So sine 2 into 360 plus 45. So as per the above, then you can write it as a, this is as a sine 45 degrees. And sine 45 degrees value is equals to, yeah, let me ask one question. You people, if I am going on saying to you like this, really it is not correct. Values you should know. One by one I'll ask these questions to you. Sine 45 degrees value?
Sir, 1 by root 2.
1 by root 2. Okay. Viprajit, cos 60 degrees value? Viprajit, is there in the class? Yes.
Hello, sir.
Is it audible to you?
हाँ सर, अब सुनाई दिया।
cos 60 degrees value.
सर cos 60 डिग्री।
Hmm.
हाँ सर, हाफ।
1 by 2. Okay. See here, everyone learn all the trigonometric values, minimum values in the 10th class. What you learned, that is essential to you. Okay. So the next seventh question is given to you. Cosec minus what is याद नहीं है. Cosec minus 1410 degrees. Okay. Cosec minus 1410 degrees. This can be done in two different ways. How? Cosec negative angle, if you are taking into consider 1410 degrees. See, I am going to solve this into what you are going to get this value. Cosec negative angle. Sine of yesterday we learned negative angles also. Sine of minus theta. Sine of minus theta equal to minus sine theta. Cos of minus theta equals to. Is it audible to you all?
Cos. Yes, sir.
Cos theta. So you can use that one into the consideration 1410 degrees. You can convert again into the another form, or you can say that this you consider as a completely theta. ये theta की जैसा consider करो. Cosec theta is equals to cosec 2 into 360 degrees plus theta. ये theta as it is इधर लिख सकते हैं.
सर,
You can yes.
सर एक और तरीके से लिख सकते हैं, माइनस कोसेक 15 into 90 plus 60।
But minus cosec.
तो हमारा क्वेश्चन तो दिया है सर कोसेक माइनस 1410 डिग्री, तो माइनस को हम आगे ला लेंगे तो माइनस कोसेक 1410 डिग्री, उसके बाद माइनस कोसेक 15 into 90 plus 60।
1590.
Sir, it can be written as
60।
I'm not 1590 what? Okay, let me explain to you. Okay, don't make others to confuse here. So I'll tell you that. See here, there will be a different ways to do the problem here. So this is suppose little bit easy way I'm saying to you, but other ways also I'm going to accept. 1410 degrees is there is equals to cosec. You take into not only 2 here, n any number can be taken into consider. To make it this as a positive number, n let us take it as a nearby value. What you are going to get, suppose 720 can double 1440, so 720 double 4 means 4 times you can take into consider. So 404 into 360 plus minus 1410 degrees. Can I write like this? Yes, you can write it. So what you are going to get, cosec 1440 degrees minus 1410 degrees. So which is equals to what you are going to get, cosec 30 degrees. Cosec 30 degrees value, that is equals to 2. Okay, this is one way of doing. The other way of doing is, if you want taking cosec minus 1410 degrees, okay, which is equals to, better you make these values again it comes to the quadrant, in the same quadrant, means into the same quadrant by multiples. If you are taking, you can write it as a minus cosec 1410 degrees minus cosec 1410 degrees. So now 1410 degrees, how do you write? 3 times whenever you take into consider, again 3 times whenever you take into consider, So which is equals to, you can write that cosec 3 into 360 plus 3 into 360, how much you will get? ये process थोड़ा lengthy होता है if you are doing like this. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
So 3 into
So it
3.
will be sir
Why?
1080.
Suppose if you are taking here 3 into 360, instead of taking 3 into 360, 4 into 360 ले लो. Suppose 4 into 360, if you are taking into consider, it is going more than that number, 1440 you are getting. Did you get my point? So ज़्यादा
Yes,
हो
sir.
रहे, ये ज़्यादा हो रहे. So better you take the 3 into 360 only. So if you take the 3 into 360, the value becomes 336 3s are 108.
Sir, 1008.
1080 subtract from the these two. So what you are
Sir,
going to get
sir,
here?
sir,
What I can
330. Sir,
huh?
330. 330.
330 degrees. So this you are going to get again minus cosec 330 degrees you will get. So what is 330 degrees? You can write 360 minus theta. 360 minus 30. So minus cosec 360 minus 30. So you can write 360 minus 30. 360 minus 30 is nothing but that is in the which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. 360 minus 30 is nothing but that is in the fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant में cosec क्या होगा? Negative होगा. So that's why you are going to get it as a, this is equals to minus cosec cosec minus of minus cosec 30 you are going to get, because in the fourth quadrant cosec is negative. In the fourth quadrant cosec is negative. So with this you are going to get again cosec 30 degrees. So which is equals to cosec 30 degrees again 2. So here I need to explain to you one more thing. Do remember here, whenever you take into the consider, let me explain to you. Sine these trigonometric ratios, whenever you take into consider, just first let me explain to you the this one sine. Suppose sine 90 minus theta क्या होगा? These things after learning the actually sine 90 minus theta is nothing but you are going to get the quadrant. 90 minus theta is nothing but 90 minus theta is in the first quadrant. So sine 90 minus theta will be equals to cos theta. Sir, how do you get cos? So do remember here one trick is there. Whenever you are having here 90 or 270, that sign will changes to the cos, not cosec. Okay. Suppose if I am taking sin 90 plus theta, 90 plus theta किधर होता है? ये इसमें होता है सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट में. सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट में sin is positive, so positive you are going to get, and as you are having here 90, it is going to get cos theta. Suppose a question is asking to you cos 90 plus theta. Cos 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta is nothing but 9. Oh, that theta should be actually less than 90 degrees. Again here theta is less than 90 degrees. So when cos 90 plus theta, if I am asking, suppose these also you have to remember here. Cos 90 plus theta, if I am asking 90 plus theta is nothing but that is in the second quadrant. Second quadrant में cos negative होता है, so negative लिखना है. And cos है, then it is changes to the sign. Suppose if I am asking to you sin 180 plus theta, I am asking what is the value of sin 180 plus theta. Suppose I am asking 180 plus theta. 180 whenever it is given to you, sin as it is you are going to get. Sin का sin आ जाएगा, sin theta. But वो negative आएगा positive आएगा, कैसे decide होता है? 180 plus theta will be in the which quadrant?
सर नेगेटिव आएगा, थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में चला जाएगा.
थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में चले जाएगा, नेगेटिव आएगा. So you do remember that here whenever 180 or 360 are pi multiples of pi whenever you are having. Multiples of pi you have whenever you are having, sine as it is you are going to get. If you are having 90 to 70, then sine will changes to the cos, cos will changes to the sine, and tan will changes to the cot, cot will changes to the tan, and secant will changes to the cosec, cosec will changes to the secant. When these three, whenever it is possible here, if you have the 90 or 270 degrees, odd multiples of pi by 2 whenever you are having, pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 4 5 pi by 2, like that. If you are having odd multiples whenever you are taking into it, whatever it may be, not only 90 and 70, but usually 90 and 70 will be taken into consider. So this also you can use this concept also, but here better thing is in this problem here, whenever you take into seventh problem में ये मैंने बोला है ना, now it is visible to you now. This method is better to you to do the solution. Okay, so now let us move to the eighth problem. Eighth is given to you as a to come to the first page. See here, eighth
सर
problem
ऐसे
is
होता
tan.
है ना
हाँ,
सर, पहले वाला आपने जैसे किया, मैंने एक और तरीके से किया सर, आपने जैसे बताया वैसे ही किया,
हाँ,
पर
हाँ,
एक और तरीके से किया।
there will be a multiple ways. Your ideology may be different, but at last final answer you will get the same answer. The concept you need to understand here. If you are doing other way, that's okay, we'll see it later. Okay, so now let us go to the eighth problem. Tan 19 pi by 3. Here the question is given to you 19 pi by 3. So
सर पाई की जगह पे 180 लिख के 3 से डिवाइड कर लेते हैं।
don't do like that. That's a lengthy process actually. Whenever, see, now onwards you should be habituated to write the angles in the form of the, okay, what is given, tan 19 pi by 3. So you try to write in the form of 19 by 3 as a 6 1 by 3 you can write.
Yes,
So
sir.
here, whenever you are having, I told you that whatever the it may be the trigonometric function is given to you, whatever a trigonometric function is given to you, 2n pi plus or minus theta, if you take, again you are going to get the same 2n pi. So that means 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi. So you can write this as a 6 pi plus pi by 3. So how do you come to know that 6 pi plus pi by 3 means 19 by 3 can be written as 6 1 by 3. So 6 1 by 3 is nothing but 6 plus 1 by 3. So 6 pi plus pi by 3. So you can write, the easiest way is tan, this can be written as 6 pi plus pi by 3. So how do you get, sir, directly idea that 6 pi only to be taken into consider, 6 pi plus pi by 3 only to be taken into consider, means you can write, if you want here, this can be written as tan 6 1 by 3 pi. Tan 6 1 by 3 pi you can write. So 6 pi, so this is equals to, you are going to get, again it is going to get tan pi by 3. So tan pi by 3 is nothing but the value of the tan pi by 3 is equals to root 3. That's all. Is it okay? समझ में आया? हेलो,
हाँ सर।
हाँ, समझ में आया ना?
यस सर।
Ninth problem is given to you, sine minus 11 pi by 3. Minus 11 if it is given to you. So minus 11 it is given means you try to think about that minus, where do you get the value here? Or you can get the 4 pi plus 3, 4 3 is a 12. 12 pi minus pi by 3. So pi minus 12 pi by 3. Ah, yes. So then you write this one as a sine. This angle you keep it as it is, minus 11 pi by 3 plus I am using 2 times of 2 pi. बिकॉज ये 4 पाई होगा, 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया तो 12 पाई होगा, 12 पाई प्लस पाई बाई 3। ये रिवर्स में लिख रहा हूं मैं। Here you take here this one as it is from the 19 pi by 3 को चेंज करके ये लिख दिया है। But here what I did here, this step, second step I am writing it as a first step, so that it is easy to you to do the calculation. Now here इसको simplify करना है, इसको simplify करना है तो what do you get here, minus 11 pi plus 12 pi by 3, so which is nothing but sin pi by 3. Sin pi by 3 is nothing but root 3 by 2. This is the easy way to you to do the problem. Did you get my point?
सर नंबर
Yes, sir.
9 का सेकंड स्टेप क्लियर नहीं हुआ सर।
सेकेंड स्टेप सी हियर, इसमें ज्यादा कंफ्यूजन किधर होता है ना, ये दोनों को कंपेयर करो। पहला 8th प्रॉब्लम में देखो 19 पाई बाई 3 को मैंने चेंज करके 6 पाई प्लस पाई बाई 3 कर दिया। So here what I did here in this problem, I have applied the formula of sin 2n pi plus theta is equals to sin theta. ये इधर से इधर आ गया, सो ये इस प्लेस से इस प्लेस को आ गया, ये फॉर्मूला यूज कर लिया। तो अब इधर क्या कर दिया, ये फॉर्मूला को रिवर्स यूज कर लिया। रिवर्स बोले तो ये थीटा का प्लेस में ये है, देन 2n pi I have added, देन आफ्टर इसको सिंप्लीफाई करो, इसको ये पार्ट को सिंप्लीफाई करो, सिंप्लीफाई करना है। ये इसको स्प्लिट कर दिया मैंने, स्प्लिट करके ये फॉर्म लेके आया, बट लेके आने के बाद फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कर दिया, देन यू आर गेटिंग दिस वन। हियर पहले क्या कर दिया, एज इट इज नेगेटिव दे दिया, एज इट इज गिवन टू यू नेगेटिव हियर, देन फर्स्ट I wrote this one by applying the this identity where theta is equals to this one taken and 2n pi place में 2 into 2 pi taken, so that you are going to get here, and इसको simplify करना पड़ता है। इसको simplify कैसे करेगा, by 1 ले लो। If you take the by 1, is it visible to you clearly?
यस सर।
Here if you take the by 1, then LCM कर दिया तो 11 pi plus 12 pi you are going to get, because
हाँ
here
हाँ सर।
4 3 is 12 pi you are going to get. As we need to get the 12 pi, I know that we will get it, that's why I have taken 2 into 2 pi. 2 into 2 pi क्यों ले लिया, वही रीजन है। So then after इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर दिया तो पाई बाई 3 आएगा, sin pi by 3 value is root 3 by 2. This is I have chosen an easy method to you, that's all. If you want you can do it in different ways. The same sin 11 pi by 3 को के 11 pi by 3 can be written as first only you can change it into the other form, 2 pi 4 pi minus pi by 3, माइनस को कॉमन लेके ये भी कर सकते हैं, like this also. See, I'll show it to you. Sin minus 11 pi by 3 is equals to minus sin 11 pi by 3. Now this can be written as minus sin, but here you are going to get now what you are going to get, minus आ जाएगा इसमें। अभी you can write it as a 4 pi minus pi by 11 pi no, you cannot write a 4 pi minus 11 pi by 3, माइनस पहले लिखना पड़ता है। if you are writing again minus like this you have to write, and plus में लिख नहीं सकते हैं, you cannot write in the form of the plus here. If you write like that 11 pi by 3 value find out करना पड़ता है, 11 pi by 3 value find out करके then you have to do it. This if you want to write here, see both are in the same way only, minus लिख के minus of sin 4 pi minus 11 pi by 3, because why minus I kept here, because sin 4 pi minus theta. 4 pi minus theta is nothing but again that is in the. So ये प्रॉब्लम ऐसा कर दिया तो कंप्लीट कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो जाता है. बेटर दैट्स व्हाई नॉट टू डोंट डू दिस वन इन दिस वे. ये वे में मत करो. ओके. So better easiest way is you have to choose it. Okay. And let me say
मतलब इस टाइप के मैथ्स को हम ये दो तरीके से कर सकते हैं.
हाँ, you can do it. Either you can convert it to the angle to the negative angle. You can do it. But ये मैंने easy method मैंने ढूंढ के this is a easy method to you. This method. Okay. 10th problem देखो. 10th problem आपके हाथ से मैं करवा लेता हूँ because I'll make you to do yourself. Whenever negative is given, 15 pi by 4 is given to you. So here you have to add some multiple of 2 pi so that it should get the positive angle, which is very you'll get in the first quadrant. Add the angle multiple of 2 pi. Suppose 2 pi add कर लिया मैंने इसको. I can add 2 pi to this one because this is completely one angle. This is completely one angle. If that is completely one angle, if it is cot theta, ये cot theta मान लो. This can be written as cot theta plus 2n pi. Can I write like this? Either 2 pi I can write, 4 pi I can write, 6 pi I can write, whatever I want I can write. So what I will do here, which choose करना है वो choose करना कैसे है? How do you choose it? Suppose if I write 2 pi, add कर लिया, 2 pi minus 15 pi by 4 आएगा. So again negative angle आएगा. So choose the 4 pi. 4 is 16. 16 pi minus 15 pi, pi by 4. Yes, आ गया है. So that is enough to you. ये उल्टा लिखो चाहे तो. ये सर ये see here, if you get confused like that, you do like this. पहले minus 15 pi by 4 लिखो plus 4 pi लिखो. ये फॉर्मूला की जैसा हो जाएगा. ये अप्लाई कर दिया. और now what to do, इसको सिंप्लीफाई करना है. So tan, what do you get here? Minus 15 pi plus 16 pi by 4. So we are going to get it as a tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 value. What's the value of tan pi by 4? अरे
सर 1
इतना सोच रहे हैं आप लोग. You're really late saying. You should be a little bit faster. Okay.
Sir, 1.
Is equals 1. Okay, let me ask some questions to you on tomorrow in the first class itself, means starting of the class itself. I'm going to ask you these values, trigonometric values and trigonometric functions. Those who are joining in the class now itself, after completion of the class, immediately all the trigonometric values, because the next thing you are going to have so many formulas will be there. All the sum of the trigonometric identity, sum and multiple angles concept will be there. Sum and difference of the trigonometric functions, two angles to be taken into consider: sin x plus y, sin x minus y, sin x plus y, sin x minus y, cos x plus y, cos x minus y, sin 2x, cos 2x, tan 2x, sin 3x, cos 3x, tan 3x. All the so many identities will come into the force, and if you are not able to remember these things, then it becomes a very difficult task to you. So I request everyone to learn today itself. Now itself I'm closing the class here. So today itself you learn that all the